Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set a keyframe in Capcut. So, let's get started. First of all, open Capcut. Here you can see I have this clip that I am importing into the timeline. Now here you can see there are three types of keyframes: scale, position, and rotate. Now first of all, move the cursor to the part of the timeline where you want to start. Then you will see a diamond-shaped icon here. Click on it. After that, move to the part of the timeline where you want it to end. And then click on the same icon again and adjust your image. As you can see, I have made it smaller. Then go to the start of the timeline and play it. As you can see, I have edited the keyframe in this clip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.